This particular video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of a new adware attacking Mac computers, and this adware is called DevModule. DevModule. Now, the adware targets its popular browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. It has the features of browser hijacker too, because it may change your default search engine without your permission. You might be the customer of Google search, however, as soon as the adware is installed, it will change your default search provider into some third-party search engine not really familiar to you. Also, DevModule works as a spyware because it may keep records of all your browsing activities, your submitted search queries, IP addresses, submitted URLs, and so on. Finally, of course, DevModule may display a lot of uncontrolled ads that will redirect you to many shady and sometimes very dangerous pages in the internet. Now, I recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this adware as soon as you can. How to remove it? Well, first of all, let's discover the manual solution. Now, what you need to do is to, first of all, click on Command, Option, and Escape on your Mac keyboard. You'll need to find your hijacked browser infected by this dev module and force quit it. After it has been done, you may go to your applications and remove this adware by right-clicking on it and moving it to the trash. And I also recommend finally that you check your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download this software and click on Start Combo Scan to implement the detailed research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.